Guys, I can't lie to you, I don't really try color, but this color has taken my heart. Like, I'm so in love with the color. It's so pretty, and I like the fact that it has dark roots, because I don't think I would have been able to pull this off if it was burgundy from the root. The wig is so easy to pluck and so easy to prep to wear when it arrives. The frontal is pre-plucked, so there's not much work to do. This hair is 24 inches. It comes up to my waist, so this hair is pretty long. And the frontal literally melts into my skin. I've already worn this wig before. I have hot combed the hair and I've straightened it. So all I have to do is literally just install it for you guys. Another thing to mention, Branded Hair Extensions is actually a hair vendor. So if you're thinking of starting your own hair business, or you just want to sell bundles and wigs on the side as a side hustle, they are great because they provide wholesale prices, and you can literally see that this hair is quality, so it's a good investment. This hair will last. I know it will last. The lace is amazing. They also send you like a little head wrap things for when you're laying your wig, so you can lay flat and give you the melt look. And they also gave me this cute headband, which I don't think I'll be wearing anytime soon, because I actually like my scalp to be showing. I want people to know that yes, I have laid this wig. It's laid and it's looking cute. Start off by wiping my hairline with the rubbing alcohol and just taking off the makeup, excess makeup, just so I can have like a clean canvas to install this wig. This hair is from Branded Hair Extensions, and it is love it. Everything, the dark roots, the color, it's everything for me, and it's 24 inches. So make sure you check it out in my description box down below.